Hi viewers, Savannath. After quite a long time, I'm making this video, almost more than a year, I think so. Hereafter you can expect regular videos. All depends on how you motivate me. That largely important thing. So please, if you are not saying, if you are not subscribed, please subscribe the video and like. So that 2 click give a lot of motivation. So that will help me to make a regular video on daily basis, the post market videos. So today the main thing is yeah, IPO stock which listed today had a more than 25 percentage eroded a capital. So that we will see today, and RBI maintained the status quo. That itself a good uh, uh, good point to the market. So it today very well rallied actually. So today three IPO stocks are listed. One is BMW Venture, Jain Resource Recycling, EPAC Prefab Technologies. How it performed, that we will see for subsequently. Then I used to view four stocks from the F&O. Two stocks from gainers and two stocks from the losers. F&O gainer and F&O losers. So likewise, today we will see Tata Motors, Sriram Finance, Delivery, and Hindustan Petroleum. So all this stuff we will see one by one. So before going to the video, disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered advisor. So I am doing this for just educational purpose, just to sharing my views. So always a good trader or investors, they have to do their own study and analysis and make their own decisions. So further going to the video, please do subscribe and like. So today Nifty 225 point positive closer. It's a very good rally, and that result in the India VIX minus 7.05 percentage ended with the 10.29. So if you see the large cap 2.7 percentage, mid I am sorry 207 points, and mid cap 181, small cap 176, and the micro cap 319 point positive closure. So all the caps, large, mid, small, and micro, all are in the same direction. It is sinking. So it whether it is plus or minus, this all the cap have to be sink in the same direction. So that will be more reliable for the further direction, whether it is upward or downward. So if you see the bank Nifty today 712 point positive closure, and the Nifty 80 250 points. So all are performed very well, and sectoral indices. So all the sectors, everything in green, and the deep green is Nifty Media, 3.97 percentage, almost 4% we can say that. So in that particular index, Sun TV made a 12.39 percentage positive closure, Nazara 7.66, PVR Inox 2.23 percentage positive closure. Those who are having already in their portfolio, they will be very much smiley today. Okay, so we will see the overall direction of the market. First, we will see the IPO. So today, the one of the IPO is EPAC Prefab Technologies, that is listed. The issue price was 204 actually. Today, the intraday low 183 and high is 192. So the high itself not crossed the listing price. So at the end of the day, around 9%, 8.96% negatively it is closed. Then Jain Resource Recycling. So the issue price is 232. The low is 247 and high is 278. So if you see the low itself, it's more than the issue price actually. At the end of the day, if you see almost 20% positive closure. The worst part is this one, the BMW Venture. The issue price is 99. The low is 74 and high is 78. The high itself not cross the issue price. At the end of the day, minus 25%. So on the same, on the first day itself, 25% of the capital eroded, 25% of capital deployed in this particular IPO by investors is eroded. So it's very worst part. So this will happen in the IPO. You are saying one IPO is minus 25, another one is plus 20. So all this happen. So we have to be very careful applying in the IPO. Now we will see the overall the market direction. First we will see the Nifty 50. So Nifty 50 225.1 positive closure. The support was 24,500. So last three session it quite well above the support line. So it is very well now it is regaining. So the next target would be, the resistance would be 25,000. I hope this time it will easily cross, and it will go the previous swing high. So it is around 25,450. Again, there are a lot of possibilities it will reach the earlier swing high. About bank nifty, so the up to yesterday the resistance was 45,000. Last week on it was 55,000 was the support, but the last three session it very much close to the support line. So yesterday in my Tamil channel I clearly said that there are a lot of possibilities it will in the resistance will be break in the higher side. So it is broken today, and it's very well placed at 55,348. So there are a lot of chances it will go to 55,500. The Nifty IT, similar to the Nifty, the support was the strong support was 31,000. But I clearly earlier in my videos I said, I mean in the Tamil channel, because after a long time I'm making the video in English. So I clearly said it won't break this level, and it will turn from here. So today same thing happened, 250 point Nifty IT positive closure. So then immediate resistance would be 35,000. Sorry. Then we will say mid and small 400. It's one of my favorite and reliable index, because this single index covers mid cap 150 stock and small cap 250. It will give you a very good market perspective. So that way it is more reliable. So the support was 19,500. So it's very well positive closure 182 points. So definitely this will it giving a lot of hope that market will turn in the positive side. So this is about our Indian scenario. Now we will see our big brother US market. So US market yesterday Dow 81 point positive closure, S&P 527 points, and the NASDAQ Composite Index 68 point positive closure. If you see all the Dow, see this is in the all-time zone. Similarly, S&P 500 also all-time zone, and NASDAQ Composite Index also all-time zone. So all their main indexes are in all-time zone, and some profit booking happening. So but there is no negativity in their market. So that itself very positive to our market also, because in the long run, at the end of the day, if you see our market correlate with the US market. So with that sense, definitely our market also turns into positive. So there is no negativity in both the market. Now we will see the F&O. So in the gainers, we will see Tata Motors and Shriram Finance. In the losing set, Delivery and Hindustan Petroleum. All these four stocks we will see one by one. First we will see Shriram. So today it rallied 5.29%, very good rally. The immediate target would be 700. So 700, if you see the multiple time it was hit and unable to break, but this time it looks it have a very good momentum. So there are a lot of positive. First it hit the 700, and this time the market, especially Nifty, touches the all-time high. Definitely it will break and go further in the upper side. Sorry. Yeah, Tata Motors. Okay, so Tata Motors, the immediate resistance will be 25. So today it has rallied 5.61%. So there are a lot of chances this time it will break and go further. That clearly shows in the volume also. Volume also very well, very good breakout we able to see. So it has a lot of potential. It crosses the 725 by this time. Next, Delivery. So multiple time it touches 480, we can say that. Unable to break that, now it is coming to the previous support, that is 405. So there are a lot of chances it come to 405, but it should not break 405. So if return from here, definitely this time it will break the 480 resistance more. Let me see in subsequently how it performs. Then Hindustan Petroleum. So if you see that like V-shaped recovery, so exactly it will test the previous swing high, and unable to sustain that. So today it had 2% minus 2%. But anyway, no need to worry about this. The support is 420. You should not break 420, and I don't think so. It will break 420. So again, it will touch us the 450 and break above the 450. So that's how it seems. So I hope all, if you like to if you like to consider buy or sell these stocks, you do your own study and analysis and take your own decision. That will be always good. So and with this we will finish this video. Once again, a request, please subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.